Welcome, here I've got Huawei P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here, let's slide down to the general category, and here we have the mute option. By tapping on this button from the right, we can turn off the sound or turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this, turn it off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. And we can't hear the sound now. Of course, we can turn it on once again by tapping to the right corner and using this button here. So for now, we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.